Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I brought another fun problem. And what we want to do is we want to find the 2019th letter in the following sequence. And what is the sequence? The sequence is Pikachu, 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 and repeating. So as you can see, it's the word Pikachu as in the Pokemon and repeating forever basically. And we want to find the 2019th letter. So let's start and let's see what position each letter is at. So what letters could it even be? So if we break up each Pikachu by word, that means that the first letter is P, second letter I, third letter K, 4A, 5C, 6H, and 7U. And then after that it restarts again. So every Pikachu is 7 letters, and the multiples of 7 will always end in U, right? So now what we can do is multiples of 7 end in U. We could theoretically, you see if this 2019, so we're trying to find 2019th letter, right? And we can divide it by 7, and if the 2019th letter were to be U, then we would get a nice number divided by 7. However, there's also a possibility that it is not 2019 is not a multiple of 7, so we would have a different number. So to make it a little easier to understand, so imagine our number is 72, so we're trying to find the 72nd number. 72 is not a multiple of 7, right? However, we can see close around which number is a multiple of 7, and that would be 70, right? So since 70 would be U, because it's a multiple of 7, that means that 71 would be P, and 72 would be the next letter, I. So we need to apply the same logic, but just on a bigger scale, over to 2019. So what I'm simply going to do is divide the letter that we're trying to find, the 2019th, divide it by 7, since we know that each 7 is a U, and then we can work from there. So I'll do long division, and if you remember how long division works, we check each tens place, or we start at the thousands place and check if 7 fits in. No, but 7 fits into 20 2 times. And now subtract by 7 times 2, that's 14, and we get 6. And then bring down the 1. How many times does 7 get on the 61? Well, 7 times 9 is 63, right? So that's too big, so it'd have to be 8. And 7 times 8 is 56. That's 5 for me, 5. And now we bring down the 9. And 7 times 8 again would bring us the closest to 59, because we would get 56. And if we subtract, we would get 3. So we have a remainder 3. And this is the important number now that we're going to use, because we know that we are a remainder 3 away from the U. So if we are 3 away from letter U, this is our letter U, so we would have P, I, so P is the first letter away, I is the second, and then K. This is the third letter away from our multiple of 7. So that means that K is the 2019th letter in the following sequence. So that is how you do that problem. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any other suggestions, you can leave them down in the comments, and I'd like to thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye.